this morning?
Good morning, Desiree. We are indeed in Kimberley this morning with the African Transformation Movement, and we are in center in Kimberley. We spoke to community members here earlier this morning who told us that they are actually looking forward to engaging with the president of ATM, and many of them complained about water issues, sanitation, and basically bread and butter issues. Many of them complained about lack of unemployment as well. Many of them are also saying that they are looking forward to engaging with the president. But at the moment, I actually have the president of ATM, Mr. Vuyo. Let us talk to him. This morning you arrived here. What are you promising the people in this Salt Lake municipality?
Firstly, it is to restore their dignity. You know, in this dump site that we are seeing here, currently there is an old man that is looking for food. That is as a result of a government that is uncaring, dysfunctional municipalities whereby the lives of South Africans is dependent on them searching on dump sites in order for them to get something to eat. It is a painful picture to see. It is something that would never have ever imagined that 27 years into democracy, black South Africans would be reduced to looking for food in dump sites. It's something that we are seeing here now. It's not something that we are reading on the papers, that poverty has gone to such an extent. So what we are saying as the ATM, that the people have the power to change all of that by ushering in a new type of a government, a caring government that will prioritize the interests of the people of this country to make sure that we end away with poverty, starvations and hunger, since it is the order of the day, particularly in this municipality.
All right, Mr. Zungula, you do mention that you aim to address some of the challenges experienced in this community, but your political party does not have much track record in terms of local governance. What do you have to say regarding that?
Look, in 1994, the party that ended up governing the country did not have any track record. So when we are talking about an organization is comprised of people that have vast experience in terms of working either in the public or private sector. And we've seen how, for example, the ATM, without us having any political experience, but when you go to parliament, we're able to advocate and influence issues across the country for the benefit of our people. Therefore, experience is nothing for us as the ATM. What is important for the people of South Africa, it is for them to understand that a government or a party can have years and years of experience, but if they do not love the people of our country, if they are not committed into improving the lives of the people of this country, nothing is going to happen. What the people of this country should understand is that with the ATM, they've got genuine servants, they've got members who genuinely love the people of our country. Hence, we'll do anything that we can do in order to improve the lives of our people.
Well, Desiree, there you have it. That was the president of ATM. He's confident that he will be able to bring about change in this community. And back to you in studio.
Thank you very much, Katlego Morapela, there speaking to Vuyo Zungula of the African Transformation Movement in their door-to-door campaign in Kimberley today.